Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are in a good learning position and you are all ready to learn. So, up until now, we have been discussing about polynomials. In the first lecture, we learned what are the rules of writing polynomials. Then we learned about degree of a polynomial, and then we learned about last class we learned about what are the different forms of writing a polynomials. We learned standard form, and also we learned one more form we learned. What was it? Yes, index form. So let's just go through that one more time. Let's just as a revision, so that if you have forgot, you could just have a quick revision of it. So the polynomial that I've written over here is 5x cube minus 6x raised to 5 minus 4. I'm going to repeat that polynomial one more time. 5x raised to 3 minus 6x raised to 5 minus 4. Okay, so how do we write the standard form? What was the easy method that I taught last time to understand what is standard form? सीधा बड़े नंबर से नीचे नंबर तक लिखना है. पावर देखना है. You have to look at the power, whichever is the highest number वो पहला आना है, and then go go down from there. So here the powers are, first one is 3, second one is 4, second one is 5. So between 3 and 5, which is the highest number? 5. Yeah. So you will write 6x raised to 5 or minus 6x raised to 5. Minus 6 into x raised to 5. We write minus 6x raised to 5 because we always take the number along with the symbol on the left. Plus 5x raised to 3. Why do we write plus here? Either left में कुछ symbol नहीं है. Then why did we write plus? So when no sign is given, it is plus over there. So plus 5x raised to 3 minus 4. Basically very simple. You look at the equation, you look at which is the highest power, start from there and go down. What about index form? Index form, again, simply we know that the first highest number is 5. So you start by writing x raised to 5, then just go down till 0. Write x raised to 4, x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to 1, and x raised to 0. Now we are going to look for the powers that are given. X raised to 5. X raised to 5 के left में क्या number है? 6 or minus 6? It is, yes, it is minus 6. So we are going to write minus 6 here. Then x raised to 4. Let's look at the original equation. Original equation में x raised to 4 है? नहीं, x raised to 4 is not there. So if it is not there, what will you write there? कुछ नहीं है ना, तो 0. So you write plus 0. Then you look at x raised to 3. Is x raised to 3 here? Yes, x raised to 3 is here. What is there to the left? It is 5. So you write 5. Then you look at x raised to 2. Do you see x raised to 2 here? No. If you don't see x raised to 2, what will you write? Plus 0. Look at x raised to 1. X raised to 1 is also basically x. क्या x है इधर? नहीं है. So you write plus 0. अभी क्या बाकी है? You have x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is equal to 1, right? Whatever number raised to 0 is always 1. So again, you have one number left. Basically, the number that is sitting alone without any variable, any alpha, the number sitting alone without any alphabet, that will be the one that will go with x raised to 0. Very simple. You wrote this will be the index form. So in standard form, you do not add any terms, you just arrange it in descending order, the powers. In index form, you arrange it in descending order, but you also make sure that every term is there. What we are going to learn today is how to write the coefficient form. Coefficient form is the easiest of easiest. If you have written the index form, just write a bracket and write it in the order minus 6, 0, 5, 0, 0, minus 4. Correct? So basically, write the index form and write the coefficient. What is coefficient? The number to the left of the variable. We learned that in the first lecture, and this is something that तुम लोग का पूरा लाइफ में यूज हो जाएगा. The number to the left of a variable is called coefficient. You're just writing the coefficients down, separated by a comma, inside a bracket. You're writing the coefficients separated by a comma inside a bracket. Clear? Just one important point for you to remember. Always write the index form first. That is, suppose in this question, you have written the standard form. If you are just writing the coefficients here, it would be minus 6, 5, minus 4. That would be wrong. Whichever question is given, you have to convert it into index form and then write the coefficient form. Do not write coefficient form straight from standard form. That is a common mistake that is seen in papers. So please be aware of that. Please make sure that I've written the important point here. I've marked it with a star. Always write index form first. Take coefficient form from there. From there only. Clear? This is clear. I am sending one worksheet for you to solve. Make sure that you solve this, and this is pakka. Okay. So basically, in the last two lectures, we learned about standard form, index form, and coefficient form. Standard form, you write the powers in descending order. What is given? Index form, you write in descending order. लेकिन जो भी नहीं है, you add that also. Coefficient form, you take the coefficients from the index form and write it in a bracket. Simple, done, easy, 3 marks for your exams there. Make sure that you do the worksheet so that it is clear for you. Thank you guys. Have a good day. If you have any doubts, please do reach out and solve the problems. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.